Hey, what's up, community? It's KJ here from nappyhair.com, and you are watching The Breakdown. In this video, we are going to break down the classic glueless full wig. I'll show you the construction of the wig, talk about the overall benefits of the full wig, and I'll also show you how I put it on. Now let's get started. The classic glueless full wig is not a lace front wig. Although it has a lace closure top, this wig is designed for your hairline to be left out. At nappyhair.com, we specialize in wigs that look the most natural and the most blendable. And to have that, you need to have your hairline out. And that's why this wig is not a lace front, but it does have a lace closure. Now let's get inside the cap. Starting with your lace closure area, there is a comb right at the top to secure the wig. There is combs on the sides of the ear tabs, on each ear tab. And there is a comb at the nape of the wig. The wig also has adjustable drawstrings. The drawstrings allow for you to tighten the cap of the wig. This way it can fit more snug to your head if needed. The cap is fully stretchable. Although this is not a lace front wig, it does have a lace closure. And the lace closure is free parting, meaning you have the ability to part the hair on the lace closure any way you like. I have this wig parted and how I'm gonna wear it, but it can move any way within the lace closure. So the lace closure is 100% free parting. Here are the overall benefits of wearing a full wig. By putting on a wig, you have instant length and volume. All you need to do is put the wig on and blend your hairline in with the wig. The full wig allows for a heat protective style. Although there's a small amount of your hairline that needs to be left out for the purposes of blending, the majority of your hair can be tucked away underneath your wig. The full wig is beginner friendly. Because it has a lace closure, you do not have to worry about gluing or attaching a lace front wig to your hairline. Using a full wig offers you versatility with low commitment. Full wigs can be cut, colored, and styled, which allows you variety with your hair with little effort on your natural hair. Now I'm going to switch from my U-part wig and put on my full wig and show you how I blend in my natural hairline. All right, community, so you see how easy it is to put on a full wig and blend in your hairline. I have a very small amount of leave out, and it goes from here to here. And I showed you how easy it is just to leave a small amount of your hair and then you blend it in with your wig. This full wig that I'm using today has been custom colored, and this wig is in the natural straight texture. Okay, community, in this video, I've shown you the construction of the classic glueless full wig. I've gone over some of the benefits of wearing a full wig, and I also showed you how easy it is to blend in your natural hairline with your full wig. This style of full wig is the classic full wig. There is a new design coming up, and I'll talk more about that in another video.